Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tag Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to add tags to your YouTube videos so your YouTube videos will be found in the search engine of YouTube way better and you get of course more views. Now the first step that you want to take is actually by opening up your preferred browser, go to your YouTube account, go to the top right corner, and when you want to upload a video, let's say you create a video, upload one, I'll do it real quick. You come into this section right here. From here you scroll all the way down, and when you scroll all the way down you see the tag section right here. Now here you can add tags manually, so how to turn on FPS counter in game in Steam. You simply add Steam, for example, press enter, add FPS counter. This takes a lot of time, as you can see right here. Now you can use the vidIQ extension on Chrome to see if your SEO, your search engine optimization score, is good. So how more tags for the title you choose, the better the SEO score will get. Now here you see the keyword inspector, and this will automatically check if it actually sees it. So that is the vidIQ Chrome extension. Now the one thing that I use a lot, which is very handy, you simply open up a different tab on YouTube. Here you Google rapidtags.io, and here what you'll do, you go back to your channel content, copy the title of your YouTube video. From there you go back, you insert it right here, and YouTube tag generator will come up with the best enabled tags, the best available tags for the certain video that you're viewing. And it makes sure that it will be put under the maximum keys of your video. And as you can see right now, the SEO score went up by a ton. And if I put these tags in my description as well, now make sure to use a good description, because this isn't a good description. But now you can see my YouTube video is way better findable for YouTube, and here you can use the tags on rapid tags. Now what if you want to add tags to a existing video? Let's say this existing video, you go to the video details, you scroll all the way down, and it's the exact same. Here you find the tags, and now you can actually use this to your advantage and make sure to get better search results. Now if you still get any other questions regarding this tutorial, leave a comment down below, leave a like and subscribe. This helps me a lot, and thanks for watching.